Now let's check how we can enroll a device using bulk enrollment method. So right now I'm on my client machine. The very first thing we need to do is to create a package using Windows Configuration Designer. So I'm going to log into the Microsoft Store for Business app, and then I'm typing configuration Windows Configuration Designer app. Okay, now I can see Windows Configuration Designer app. Okay, Windows Configuration Designer app without imaging. Used to use the Windows Configuration Designer app to simplify deployment of Windows device at your organization. WCD allow configuration of many aspects of Windows device setting, including Azure Active Directory. Okay, I'm going to install it. Now in my machine, Windows Configuration Designer app is now installed. Let me open it. Windows Configuration Designer app, and we'll start creating a package for bulk enrollment. Okay, now enable. Sure, no, not from. Now Windows Configuration app is now loaded, and I'm going to create a provisioning package for desktop devices. We can also create a provisioning package for kiosk devices, Surface Hub devices, HoloLens devices, Windows mobile devices, and some advanced configuration provisioning we can create. For now, I'm going to create a provisioning desktop package. I'm going to click here. Now I am going to give a name. I'm going to give a bulk enroll. Okay, I'm going to change the path of this. Okay, under desktop. Okay, under desktop, I'm going to create a new folder and just create it. So this is the path of where the package binaries will be stored. I'm going to click finish. It's now loading, and then now it's loading. Now I have a step to perform. The very first step in via configuration designer. Then we can, the first step in Windows Configuration Designer is to set up the device name. Okay, so there are two options. I can go with serial number or with some prefix, or I can use some random numbers. For now, I'm going to click copy random number. Okay, okay, paste it here. Instead of this, bulk demo. Demo randomly 5. So what will happen when machine is receiving this package, and then machine is going to rename the device with prefix demo and then randomly 5 number. Okay, I can provide the product key also, but I don't have that. I'm going to provide here. I can configure device in a shared configure device for shared use. I can yes or no, but I don't want to do this. I can remove the pre-installed app by just moving the slider. For now I'm okay with this. Then I'm going to configure our network. I don't want to configure anything, that's why I'm just switching it off. Then I'm in the account management page. We have multiple options. We need to provide enroll. We need to enroll the device in Active Directory or an Azure Active Directory or local admin with local admin, right? So I'm going to click on enter and enter the enroll the device in Azure AD, and the bulk token expiry is this. 180 days, and then I'm going to create a generate a bulk token. So for that, what I need to do, I need to sign up with any of the account who has a privilege access, like Intune administrator, global administrator, and password administrator, and then I think cloud and device administrator. I'm going to give password ch Chander it Tune Demo Lab on Microsoft on Microsoft.com. Okay. Oh, in 90 demo on micro MI. Okay. MIC Microsoft. Okay. Now I'm going to add the password. Okay, password. Now it's saying that stay to my organization to manage the device. I don't want to select this. No, I don't want to sign up, and just click OK. Now it's going to generate a token, and with the help of that token, I can, the package can register the enroll the device in Intune. The bulk token is successfully generated. Additionally, I can create a local admin. Let's say I'm going to create a bulk admin, and then I'm going to give password. Now I can do some other steps, like I can add some applications. If you want to deploy an application, I can add application. Let's add one application to show you how we can add an application. Let me add. I'm just going to download simple application. Download MDT. I'm going to download Microsoft Deployment Toolkit package. Okay. Just downloading Microsoft Deployment Toolkit package, 64-bit, and then click next. It's going to download. Okay, now it's downloaded. Oh, okay, started. Okay, I don't want to install now. No, cancel it. Yes. Okay, now what I need to do, I just need to add here. I'm going to provide the package and name, application name, and then I'm just going to give the path where I downloaded this application, and it's automatically going to populate the command line. Okay, and additionally, where we can configure if there is something goes wrong during installation, do we need to continue it or we need to stop it. Okay, so for now I'm going to switch it off. Okay, additionally we can allow restart. Okay, if you want to restart, you can enable it, otherwise that's okay. And then if there is any dependency for that application, you can add here also, and then click add. Now your application is now added. So I have added one application. I don't have any certificate for add, but if you want to add, you just need to provide the certificate name, browse the path, and then add it. That's it. Okay, I don't have any certificate right now, so I'm not going to add anything. Then now click finish. It's going to provide me the summary of this page, and my local admin name is this with the password, add application, and then okay, the important point, protect your package. Okay, if I'm not going to enable it, so anyone can run this package and enroll the device in Intune. So I want to give a password. Okay, I'm going to provide a password. So if someone is trying to install this, they need to enter the password to install that package. I'm going to create it. Okay. Now it's creating. Now it's done. Package is created and is stored in the created folder which we created earlier in the down desktop page. Under this, we have a folder called bulk enrollment. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to. Okay, I'm going to close it now. For now, now this application is no more needed. our package is ready, and I'm going to use the same machine for enrollment. Okay, now let me show you a few things before I'm going to install it. In the connect, I don't have anything. The important point is that if you go to portal.azure.com, and if I'm going to log in with my uh, admin account there, I want to show you that when you're creating this package, then it's going to create a user, and that user is actually going to enroll the device under application. Okay, Azure Active Directory, and then if you go to users, I'm going to open my endpoint portal also, admin center portal. I'm going to open this one also, so that still loading. Okay, now user is there. Okay, let me show you the user, newly user created when we created this package. Still loading. Okay, yeah, so I'm talking about this user package underscore some randomly GUID package. Okay, this user is actually is going to enroll the device. Okay, this is the user who's going to enroll a device, and when we are enrolling a device using bulk enrollment method via package, then we'll see the same thing in registry also. Okay, so that's what I want to show you. And another thing is that I want to show is other devices. Let's see if I have anything. Okay, loading. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you the device here in this Intune admin center portal. Let me open meanwhile Intune portal also under all devices. Yeah. Okay, I have one device. Okay, and but that is not that device. Okay, we should be good. I mean, that's okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to enroll this. I'm going to run this package. I'm going to click it, and then okay. Before that, one more thing I want to show you that under school and access, and then under access work or school, this option add or remove a provisioning package, I don't have anything here. Now I'm going to run this, and it should ask me for the okay, now it's asking password. That's a security we added in this package. I'm going to provide the password, and now this package is going to enroll. Okay, is this package from a source you trust? If yes, then click yes and add it. Okay, it's going to enroll. Now it's done, and in a minute or two we'll see that this package is showing here. Okay, it's saying that you are about to sign out. That's okay. Meanwhile, you'll see that the package is added here, and if we go back to very quickly, if I go back to here, I don't have anything right now. So once the machine will be rebooted, I'll see something under connect. Okay, okay, let's see. Okay, just waiting for machine to reboot by themselves. Okay, let me reboot the machine and we'll come back to show you. Restart. Now my machine is back. Let's see if the machine is enrolled in Intune or not. I'm going to again connect, going to access work or school. Oh, now we can see that this machine is connected to self, which is my company name. Okay, and is connected by the package ID. Okay, and I have info button and I got this disconnect button. I can run action. Okay, I'm just going to sync it so that all the entries will be populated in Intune as well as Azure ready. Okay, before that, let's check the registry also to see who enrolled this device. Okay, now I'm going to HKLM, going to open HKLM, software, Microsoft, and then there is a call registry called enrollments, and we have multiple GUIDs here. I think the relevant one we need to find. Okay, I think this one is a relevant one, and yes, this one is a relevant one. Is showing that this machine is enrolled by this package ID. Okay, at the rate you. Okay, and let's check that in MMC also whether I'm getting any certificate or not. I'm going to add I'm going to add uh, certificates. Going to add user certificate, and then going to add a computer account. Let's see if I have anything here or not. I don't have anything in here. Let me see if I have any intermediate CA. Yeah, I have a certificate issued to Intune MDM's device CA and issued by Microsoft Intune root certificate. Okay, so I have a certificate, and then let's see if I have for anything for machine. Yeah, I have a certificate here also, and I have both certificate Microsoft Intune MDMDA certificate issued to my issued to my Intune device ID, and this is MS organization access certificate issued to my Azure Active Directory device ID. Okay, looks good. And now let's open admin center portal. We'll see that whether the device is populating here or not. Okay, meanwhile I'm going to open the portal.azure.com also. Okay, under Intune all devices, let's see if I have a machine, this machine is enrolled in Intune or not. That should, because we are getting an info button in under connect. Okay, still not showing here. Let's give a couple of minutes. Yeah, now it's showing. And the interesting part is that this demo 07543, the device name is we configured, right? The prefix is demo, and then randomly 5 number is there. Okay, and this is managed by this one. And let me add 2 more column in this report, and we'll show you that whether what is the status. Okay, I'm going to add as already registered and join type. Okay, now okay, it should be as already registered joined, not registered, and MDM enrolled. MDM enroll, yes. Okay, I'm going to check one more thing in Azure already. Azure Active Directory, and then user, or even I can check from here also. I'm going to users. Okay, under Azure I'm going to click on users. It's loading. Meanwhile, we added a package, MDT package. Let's see if that package is installed or not. Add and remove program, and okay, not this one. fpitch.cpl. Okay, yes, the Microsoft deployment toolkit is automatically installed, so it means that application is also installed properly. Our package is working. I just want to show you one more thing. Under this package, the person who enrolls the device, do we have any device associated with that or not? Under devices, Let's see if the device name is populating here or not. So we can see that the person who enrolling the device under devices, we are able to see that the demo 07543 is associated with this device, and based on that, Intune or Azure service is going to calculate the number of devices enrolled by this user. Once the device limit reaches to 1000, then it's not allowed to enroll any further devices. Device, I mean, you unenroll the device, then just need to go to all devices or even click on that device, and then just need to click on delete that device. Is automatically going to unenroll the device. Let me show you that also. Okay, access cooler work. Right now I'm connected and I am going to initiate a device command called delete command on that machine. Let's see what is going to do with this machine. Ideally it should remove that machine from Intune, as well as is revoke that certificate, and then we should not see anything here under in bit in below connect option. Okay, let me delete this. I'm going to click yes. Okay, now in a minute or two we'll see that okay, let me clear all this clear notification. So now we can see that self has removed your web workplace account and detected all the informations. And now if I'm going to show you here, just going to refresh it and go back, my access is now revoked. Again, I'm not connected to Azure AD, as well as not registered in Intune, and after some time this entry whatever is there is still deleting, and then after some time we'll see that this is not no more in this console. That's all I want to show you with respect to device enrollment via bulk enrollment method.